HomeoeGuru. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Exam oriented video part 62. Materia Medica. First question. Child holds onto its mother's hand for company. Options: Lycopodium, Lilium tick, bismuth, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Child has frequent urination and screams before urine passes. Options: borax, bovista, both, none of these. Answer: borax. Children: old looking and wrinkled. Options: abrotanum, creosotum, both, none of these. Answer: both. Idiocy in children. Options: sulfur, ethusa, both, none of these. Answer: ethusa. Constipation of nursing children. Options: aloes, alumina, podophyllum, aesculus. Answer: alumina. Snuffles of infants. Options: Hepasulf, Sticta. Option B, Sambucus and ammonium mure. Option C, 1 and 2. And option D, Ethusa. Answer: Hepasulf and Sticta. Child will not let you feel the pulse. Options: antimonium tart, antimonium crudum, sanicula, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Sudden, shrill, piercing screams from children while waking or sleeping. Options: Helleborus, Helonius, both, and none of these. Answer: Helleborus. Boys complaints after using tobacco. Options: Arsenicum album, Veratrum album, Argentum nitricum, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Children refuses food and drinks on account of soreness of mouth and throat. Options: Merck, Aurum trifilum, both, and none of these. Answer: both. Chronic cough in Zoric children. Options: Thuja, Baryta Bryonia, all of the above. Answer: Baryta carp. Convulsions during teething without fever. Options: Belladonna, Macphos, both, none of these. Answer: Macphos. Children awake suddenly, dreaming and grasping sights of cradle without any apparent cause. Options: borax and fluoric acidum, epis and cinna, stramonium, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Child holds on to its mother's hand for company. Options: bismuthum, calicar, lycopodium, and all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Stammering children. Options: bovista, nux vomica, both, and none of these. Answer: bovista. In children, it may be often repeated. Options: lac caninum, calcarea carp, baryta carp, iodine. Answer: calcarea carp. Children slow in learning to walk. Options: calcareous, causticum, both and none of these. Answer: both. Convulsion of children from nursing after a fit of anger in mother. Options: Nux vomica, chamomilla, both and none of these. Answer: both. Convulsion of children after fright in mother. Options: chamomilla, Nux vomica, opium, and Singum metallicum. Answer: opium. Thank you.